Is it safe to run wheel spacers on cars?
Installing a Acura wheel spacer is an ordinary option that most people will do. Mostly, car manufacturers will leave a specific wheel gap for upsizing the wheels. Therefore, there is a safe wheel spacer size for every car. For most Acura wheel spacer size, 1 inch to 1.5 inch is perfect to achieve a nice flush look. If you like a smoother, more comfortable ride, adding wheel spacers is one of the easiest ways to improve your car's ride quality. By increasing the track width, wheel spacers help your vehicle perform better on the road. In general, a wider track means more grip in almost every application. You'll have a better experience when cornering. But for someone who experienced wheel spacer failure, I have to tell you guys, don't get the cheap wheel spacers. The cheap wheel spacers are always in low quality material, meaning that they are overall just much lower quality. Just like the wheel studs, BONOSS wheel spacer with grade 12.9 wheel studs are of higher strength than others with grade 10.91, which mostly reduce the wheel stud broken problem. Meanwhile, you better choose the wheel spacer with warranty service. BONOSS provides wheel spacers with 10-year warranty service, can also make you more at ease.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.